Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening whenever and wherever you're watching this lesson from. So last time we looked at principles of insurance. Today we're going to look at fire insurance. Fire insurance. So we should understand that fire insurance, we have ordinary fire insurance and also have consequential loss insurance. Now, understand this. Ordinary fire insurance, it provides insurance protection to a wide range of property, such as personal and business buildings, warehouses, and their content against damage caused by fire. This is easy to understand. We have consequential loss insurance. It is the loss of profit suffered as a result of what? As a result of an insured risk. Okay. We also have this point, which is very important. The consequential loss insurance, it provides compensation for the loss of normal business profit as a result of an insured risk occurring, and also business expenses. Now, it also covers renting as an alternative what? An alternative building. Now, someone may ask, what are factors to consider when fixing a premium for fire insurance? When fixing a premium for fire insurance, important factors that you should consider have: number one, the particulars of an applicant. Particulars, which include names, address, and other things, which are national registration card. Okay, the address and situation of the property to be insured, detailed information about the property. If it is a house, state the value. If it is a house, state the value, materials used to build it, safety measure provided. Okay, whether the similar risk has occurred before. Okay, you need to also provide that if the similar you need to know if the similar risk happened before. Now, those are the factors. Now, employer's liability insurance. Employer's liability insurance, it provides compensation to employers for death, diseases, etc. suffered whilst at work, as well as a result of employers' negligence. Public liability insurance, it covers business owners and manufacturers against claims by members of the general public for death and the accident. Fidelity guarantee insurance policy, this provides compensation to the employers for the money or goods embezzled by employers. Okay. Now, apart from the fire insurance, we also have marine insurance. The marine insurance. Now, marine insurance covers losses or damage to property and life caused by sea risk transport. Now, we have the hull insurance. It covers ships and machine against damage due to fire, collision, and storm, and against other ships. The policy can either be for a particular journey known as the voyage policy, or a period of time known as time policy. It is taken by ship owners. Also have freight insurance. It covers for the amount charged for transportation of the cargo or goods. It is refunded if goods are undelivered and not delivered. It is paid by shipping firms or companies or suppliers. Okay? It also covers ship owner against the possibility of not being paid flight, okay, or hired money by client who don't pay transport charges in advance. We have cargo insurance. It covers goods being carried by ship. This also covers now this covers maybe for single consignment or maybe several consignment, known as the floating policy. It is also taken by what? Taken by cargo owners. Now, let's also look at ship owners liability insurance. This ship owners liability insurance, it covers ship owners against claims that may be on therefore, one, death or injury caused to crew members or passengers, loss or damage caused to other ships in collision, 3, loss or damage caused to beaches. Okay, this is what it covers. Then we have motor insurance. Motor insurance. This covers a wide range of insurance, and it includes the following. Number 1, motor vehicle insurance. Now, motor vehicle insurance, it is compulsory by law for all motor vehicles owners to insure against loss or damage to third parties. Now, who is a third party? A third party is any member of the general public to whom death or bodily injury may be caused, such as passengers or other motorists. Okay? Types of motor insurance policy. You have the third party motor insurance. We also have the third party fire theft motor insurance. Also have full comprehensive motor insurance. Now, listen. The third party motor insurance, this is a minimum motor insurance any vehicle that moves on the road is required to have. It provides compensation only to third parties for death or bodily injury caused to them or damage to their vehicle, damaged to their property. The insured own vehicle is not covered. Now, this one is only for third parties. Siwashitanshuwa vamene sunaste insure motoka, but only the people in that vehicle. That's what it means when they say third party motor insurance. Now, we also have this type of motor insurance policy: third party fire and theft motor insurance. This type of motor insurance provides insurance cover to third parties for death or bodily injury caused to them or their properties, the insured's own vehicle for accidental damage to the vehicle or injury to drivers, loss of vehicle by fire, theft, or by instant mob justice. This it also covers. It covers. Now we also have the full comprehensive motor insurance. This covers a variety of risks that may happen to the vehicle. It is the best and the most expensive type of what? Motor insurance. Now, what are some of the factors to consider when fixing a premium for motor insurance? Number of accidents for the type of vehicles, vehicles being insured has been involved in. Okay? Number of people wishing to insure so as to apply the law of bid number. Okay, to apply the law of big number. Age of a driver also is considered here, because ngati ndiwe mwana mfana youth, premium imankalako high than bachikulire. Why? Because my youth batabisa motoka swaseka nyamata. Okay? Type of motor insurance required: is it comprehensive, third party, etc.? Purpose for which the business is to be what? Is to be used. Number of vehicles using the vehicle. This is supposed to be number of drivers using the vehicle. Okay? Number of drivers using the vehicle. Occupation of the vehicle user. Security gadgets fitted. Make of the vehicle. Value of the vehicle, okay, should be known. Okay, so this is your work. Copy it nicely, the first one, so you can pause the video and copy the first question, second question, third question. In fact, even end on the fifth question. Okay, this is in the form of what? Of an assignment. Okay, so write all the questions. This will be in the form of assignment. These are examination questions, by the way. Okay, so the next lesson we're going to look at is communication.